Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check and close all of the tabs on your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, you have a couple different options in terms of tabs. It might be in Safari if you're used to browsing in Safari, or it might be in Google Chrome. Let's first just open up Google Chrome and I'll show you where to find those tabs and how to close them. So you can see next to the little plus is a square with the number 3. I can tap on that and this will show me all of my currently open tabs. However, keep in mind to the top left is incognito. So I can tap on that and I'll be able to find all of the incognito tabs here as well. So you might want to consider deleting or closing out of both your normal tabs as well as incognito. To close out of them, all you need to do is tap on that little X at the top right of that tab, and then just go through the list, and you can see all of those tabs are now closed in Google Chrome, and I can open up a new one. Now, let's say you wanted to do that in Safari. You'll be able to see this is the current website I'm on, apple.com. I can find my tabs by tapping on those 3 dots at the very bottom right. After I've done that, I can choose all tabs at the bottom right, and it will show me all of my tabs. However, similar to Chrome, you can see at the very bottom is private. I can go over to private and unlock this and be able to see all of my private browsing tabs as well. Keep in mind, this might be Face ID locked. So essentially you can close those tabs in addition to the normal tabs. So if you want to close these, you can either press the little X, or you can press and hold on one of the tabs and then choose to close other tabs. This will close out every single other tab except this one. And then the last one, you can just hit the X as well. So now we've closed out of all those tabs. However, let's set it up so it can do this automatically for us. So let's hop out here and open up the settings. Within the settings, all we need to do is scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, and then scroll down until we get to Safari on this list. The nice thing is that Safari will automatically do this for us. All you need to do within the Safari settings is scroll down until you find close tabs. You can set this to close automatically after 1 day, 1 week, or 1 month, or you can choose manually if you want to leave them all around. But I usually choose about 1 week. If I haven't visited a website in a week, I'm good with closing that tab and not having it clutter up my entire Safari, app or bookmarks, all of that stuff. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.